Alright, what's going on, guys? So, what the hell? Alright, so excuse that just brief little thing of lag. Well, anyway, Zach and I were on the test server. We're testing this plugin called Simple Carts. It's similar to Minecart Mania. It's not as feature packed, but it's very simple to use, and that's what this video is kind of going to be about. So, anyway, this is kind of like our first little setup. We have a dispenser, these dispense carts. Now in the configuration file, you can set it to where they stay full. So I can click it, whoops, so I can click it. Actually, no, we'll get back to that. So anyway, I can click it and eventually it'll get down there to the chest, which I'll show you in a second. So, and it stays full. Now let's try this again, and this time let's try to beat it down there. Actually, no, it looks like it's going to stop there. Okay, well, let me show you something then. Alright, so let's get in the minecart, and it's going to take us down to this chest. Now, this chest has nothing in it, and just to keep you from stocking up on minecarts, it empties itself automatically. So, what happens is the dispenser will dispense a minecart onto the track, and I'll explain all these blocks here in a second. And essentially, you'll come down here to this chest or wherever. I also have it configured so let me give you guys an example. Get rid of some of this stuff. Let me just grab a couple of mine carts. Okay, so see this mine cart here. First let me show you. Look, if I get in and get out, it automatically disappears. So that's gonna keep the track from cluttering up. But let's say it for whatever reason is cluttered, and we have this there, that there, and just mine carts everywhere. Well, anyway, let me show you guys something. So I can get into the minecart like so, and okay, so you have to get in before a certain time, and essentially what it'll do is it'll just either get rid of those minecarts completely, or normally if you crash into one, it will just get rid of it. But you know, I guess some of these blocks could have thrown it off. Don't know. Right here. Again, it works with any source of redstone power, like so. I can just do that and then just get in, get out, just to get it to vanish. So anyway, I'm gonna go in depth on the blocks here. So this is just to get the minecart going as soon as it leaves the dispenser. In a second, I'll show you an example of where that's not the case. This is a station block. You don't need it to start with, and you can put really just about anything here. This gold block, it speeds it up by 2. Now, one of the cool things about this plugin is it only works while someone's in it, so they can't just have carts flying down here. So if someone's not in it, then it won't work. So this brick block here, that's like an intersection. Once you reach here, it'll be like, alright, which way do you want to go? You can choose to go this way, you can choose to go this way towards the chest, or you can choose to go this way, which I set up. The diamond blocks work as an elevator. So it starts from the bottom down, so going down has priority over going up. Like if I was to have this set here and then another one up here and that one down there, it would send me to this one down here because it starts from the ground up. So it works as an elevator and it comes up there. It's a very easy plugin to learn. It kind of tells you what you're doing as you're going along. So here's a station block. What it's going to do is going to stop you there, or you can keep going, or you can get off. What is that hole there? And then here's just a bunch of gold blocks lined up. Again, you guys know that this speeds it up. We have soul sand. That's going to slow it down by 1/2. You can change all these blocks in the configuration file. And then here we have an iron block, which will eject you from the cart. So let me show you guys all of this in action. I'm going to go this way because this is kind of just the way I set up a bit more. So, okay. Let's go ahead and eject, get in the cart, and it's going to say punch in the direction you want to travel because I already had that booster at the beginning and I don't need to worry about it. So once I get here, I can just punch the minecart in the direction I want to go, lift up, go down. Here's the station block. Again, I can get out, or I can just punch it to keep going. We have the speed up, and then we have the soul sand to slow me down, and this is going to eject. So yeah, it's a very, very, very nice setup. Now, something else here, let me find a block of wool. Let's replace this iron with a block of wool. And see, it says you created a bouncer. Now what a bouncer will do is it'll send you right back. So what I do like about this plugin is when you complete the whole thing, it will give you a message saying you created something. Like, look, here's a diamond block. So it'll say you created half of an elevator or something like that. Alright, so let's try this whole thing again. This time we're going to use the wool block and everything will work in reverse flawlessly. So here we go. Alright, so once we get here, we can choose to go this way. Okay, we have a station block there, and let's just keep on going. And, well, going back. See, and it works just flawlessly. So the developer definitely did a good job with this plugin. I'm going to show you guys one more. Ooh, I don't want to go back in the dispenser because that's going to glitch up. So let's say you wanted to create a subway for your server like so. I need to find a way to get in here. Oh, duh. Alright, so let me give you an example. So here's a simple subway setup that Zach's been working on. We're gonna go ahead and punch this button, and you see there's no booster thing right there, so it's just gonna stop. You get in, it says punch in the direction you want to travel, so let's do that. And here we go. So we're here at the intersection north, east, west entrance. You wouldn't want to go back there. So let's go ahead and punch in. I suck with that, by the way. Okay, let's try it again. Now, one thing you want to make sure you're doing is you're punching inside the minecart. Alright, let's go this way. Alright, and there's something that goes there. Alright, let's go back towards the back of the whole thing. And you see he created a very nice, simple subway setup. This is very user-friendly, it's user-controllable. You can kind of get the minecart to do what you want when you want it to. So yeah, it's kind of just a grid system he has going on here. Not much, you know, whatever. So, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys eventually. Who knows? There's a few more plugins we're testing on this test server, and hopefully I can get videos done for those. So, later, guys.